in this video, we're gonna be dying of Ligma in Outcome Memories. Also, shout out to my brother Proly Loopy. You should like totally watch him on like TikTok. All right, I'm gonna just be the. Oh, they took the clanker. They took the clanker, and they took the racist hedgehog. I'm gonna take the armor. Anyway. Also, this is Outcome Memories recreation, so that's why I have Mighty the Armadillo. I mean, Dillo. Oh, what the? Okay, that's not. Like, it's at full max, full volume, by the way. Do not play this with headphones at full volume. I'm warning. This is a warning. Don't play this with headphones at full volume. Oh. I haven't played this in a while. Also, this is like my first Nigio, so don't ask why it's crappy. Because I'm on like a freaking Leapfrog tablet right now. Nope. It's a Gooner. It's. Oh no. No, bro. No. Why summon a freaking earthquake? Anyway. Probably not gonna be talking much after this point. Honestly, I'm gonna just play the game. So yeah. You don't have to hear me yap anymore. Congrats. Also, what do you guys think I'm gonna like? What do you guys think I should play next after this? Like, what do you think I should crash out at? You should comment down below, or you die of Ligma. Actually, you don't have to, but like you know. Anyway, time to like assassinate. Time to assassinate this yellow demon. All right, this to show that I'm at max volume. And Fleetway was moaning in my ear. Also, if you're wondering, I forgot to really introduce myself. My name's Ander Dingus. I'm probably like 6'5". I'm like 9 foot something. And yeah. Also I'm like 47. I know I'm Monk. You know what? I'm actually gonna see what they're doing with Fleetway over there. I'm gonna actually do something. Cause you know I have to resort to being mighty and do nothing and get an F if I'm not Sonic. So yeah. Oh my gosh! I'm running at like 3 FPS, by the way. I'm running at 3 FPS, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna, oh my gosh. No. I can't hear myself. I can't hear myself. I hope you know that. I can't hear myself. Like, bro, this music is blasting. Fleetway screaming. Metal is moaning in my ear. My ears are cooked. My ears. I'm never doing this again. This is probably. Nope. I'm cooked. Oh, thanks, Metal. Nope.